You don't need somebody pushing
No,
you.
I have my own like determination. My determination's like up there.
You're pretty scrappy.
I love struggling, actually.
You do.
Yeah, it makes me feel alive.
That sounds completely backwards, because most of us, we hate struggling. We see it as a sign we're falling behind. But Alysa Liu sees it differently. To her, struggle isn't a problem. It's proof she's exactly where she needs to be. And weirdly, that's exactly why she wins.
I don't think anything is gonna be hard. You know, it's like, what is there to lose? Every second you're there, you're gaining something. There's nothing to be lost. You know what I'm saying? Like, nothing to complain about. Like, I can't think of anything that I would find stressful or anything that could bring me down.
Now think about that for a second. Nothing to lose? That completely flips how we usually think, because we walk into things feeling like we might lose, fail, embarrass ourselves. But she walks in thinking she's already gaining. Look at how most of us react to pressure. The moment something matters, we start playing it safe, overthinking every move, avoiding mistakes, and suddenly, we're not even performing anymore. We're just trying not to fail. And that's where everything goes wrong. Alysa Liu performs differently. She performs like someone who's enjoying it, not pretending, not forcing it, actually enjoying it. And when you're in that state, you're not thinking about outcomes. You're not worried about mistakes. You're just present. And when you're fully present, your best performance shows up naturally.
I love struggling, actually.
You do.
Yeah, it makes me feel alive.
That line changes everything because she's not trying to escape difficulty. She leans into it. She feels it fully. And instead of losing confidence, she gains energy from it, because struggle means you're pushing boundaries. You're growing. You're evolving. It's a signal that you're evolving.
It's like, what is there to lose?
That mindset removes fear instantly, because fear only exists when you think something can be taken away. But if every moment is a gain, then what are you afraid of? Now you're free to perform. Most people perform with one thought in their head: I need to win. But that thought creates pressure instantly, because now every move feels like it matters too much. And when things matter too much, you hesitate. Alysa Liu doesn't think like that. She focuses on the skate, just the movement, just the moment. And when you stay there, performance becomes effortless. It's a sign you're getting closer. I don't need to prove anything to anyone. That's such a simple sentence, but it removes so much weight, because a lot of pressure doesn't come from the task itself. It comes from trying to prove you're good enough to others, to yourself. But when that disappears, you stop performing for validation and you start performing freely. You'd think high performance needs control, more focus, more precision, more force, but she does the opposite. She lets go, not careless, just not forcing everything. And when you stop trying to control every detail, your body moves naturally. Everything connects better. Flow happens, so now it all connects. She loves struggling because she sees it as growth. She believes there's nothing to lose, so there's no fear. She stays present, so there's no overthinking. And without all that noise, performance becomes effortless. And the moment you feel like there's nothing to lose, you might realize winning was never that hard to begin with.